My name is Teacher Jessie.
Teacher Lauren.
Teacher Sue.
Melissa Holly.
Teacher Kaylee.
Teacher Brett.
Teacher Erica.
Alyssa.
Sydney Lund. Amanda Jacoby.
And you have just been hired, so woohoo! Congratulations!
A lot of teachers, after they have been hired, get really nervous. They've worked so hard to get hired. They have prepared so much. And then finally, when it comes time to open slots, they get cold feet. Some teachers never open slots. They get so nervous that they don't ever end up teaching. So my advice for new teachers is to just jump in. Everybody is nervous at first as a VIPKid teacher. This kind of teaching is different for most of us. It's new. So don't worry, you are prepared. You have gone through this hiring process and you have totally learned all the skills and strategies to teaching with VIPKid.
Set a realistic schedule. Set a schedule that you can keep for at least 3 months. This will help you build your student base and make you more successful.
Be patient. It does take a little bit of time sometimes to build up those bookings or to get, a lot of students on your schedule. Sometimes there's teachers who get booked up right away, and kudos to them. But other times it may take a little bit of time. But I tell you what, after being with the company for 1.5 years and being on my 4th contract, I have some of the most loyal regular students who fill up my schedule, and it's been amazing to build this relationship with them amidst the great teaching time that we share. So don't give up or be frustrated if it takes a little bit of time to build that following. It is so well worth it in the long run to give it time and to be patient.
Also, I tell new teachers, open your PPT times. If you want to get booked and you want to get booked quick or quicker, open your PPT times. Also, maybe you want to be available on Friday and Saturday nights just to try to get booked.
The most important thing I find that you can do in the classroom is get the student talking. Do whatever it takes to make sure that they are giving you some output. If they don't quite understand everything yet, that's okay. Just have them repeat after you. I am 5. The parents love to hear the students talking, especially those full sentences. So get them repeating those full sentences or get them responding in full sentences as much as possible.
Be creative. I know I get frequently asked, how am I supposed to get my classroom together? I don't have a lot of money yet to put towards this. And I always say, look up VIPKid DIYs. There's a lot of great ideas out there. You can print things off to decorate your background, or you can draw things if that's something you're into, or you can pick up toys from around your house, or things that your kids have left lying around.
If you don't have kids and you don't have a lot of toys around, then a great way to get your props is to just print them out. So what I did is I printed out the VIPKid characters, so Meg and Mike, you have grandpa, mom, dad, family, and it's a great way to teach students like this is girl or this is daughter, and to interact with them this way.
Smile. I know, it seems silly, right? But you're nervous and you are looking for props and you don't always know exactly what it is that you want to say right at the moment you want to say it. And the kids are feeling the exact same way because they don't know you, and so they're nervous too. But a smile doesn't need a translation, and if you just give a nice warm smile, that will help you feel better and that will help your kids feel better too.
Define your teaching philosophy and use that to shape your classroom. It will make your classroom feel more fun and natural for both you and the student.
Log on to the teacher app before you start teaching and just check out all of the PowerPoint slides so you know, kind of get a general gist of what you're teaching, what the goals are of what you're teaching, and then if you're going to be teaching, what level, kind of what props you want to use.
Be yourself. Don't be tempted to be just like all the, the YouTube videos you've watched. while there's a lot of great examples, each of us are unique. Some of us juggle, some of us draw, some of us sing. Whatever you can uniquely bring to the classroom, whatever you're skilled in, own that, step into that, because parents like to see what you have to offer and what makes you unique about your classroom. They don't want to see you be scripted and be just like somebody else.
First of all, you can take workshops. There are so many excellent workshops with VIPKid.
I find workshops so helpful. They have workshops for trials, they have workshops for instructional TPR, they have workshops for new teacher support, part 1 and part 2. They have them for reward systems. There are so many different workshops that you can take, and you really come out with a lot of different resources and tips and tricks and how to do your classes and make them more engaging and fun.
You know, you can hear from other teachers, hear their experiences, and that way when you get in the classroom, you're definitely not as lost as you might have been.
Those are really good resources for you to feel more comfortable and more confident once you start getting bookings.
Do your research. Go on YouTube, to the video library, go to workshops, and join the support groups. It will help you answer all the questions you could ever have with VIPKid.
You are not alone. There are teachers all across the world that are doing this job as VIPKid Teacher, and they're more than willing to answer your questions.
Join the Facebook groups. You'll find tons of teachers there. There's official VIPKid Facebook groups. There's over 40 Facebook groups. There might be a Facebook group for your state. There's tons of Facebook groups. So find one you like, find several that you like, join them.
But in the great ones that are supportive, you can put up a post saying, hey, I'm new. Here's my bio. Here are my pictures. Help me. What do you think? Do these look good? And people are going to give you a ton of information and a ton of tips and stuff you never thought of to help you improve your bio, which is going to make you more attractive to parents.
Breathe. I know you just went through the most arduous part of the whole process, which is getting hired. And now it really is fun. It's more fun than I ever anticipated. So just take a breath. Don't expect yourself to be able to do everything every minute. Don't expect that you are going to be a perfect teacher. I don't even know what that is. So just breathe and relax and kind of give yourself some grace to just be you.
I wish you great success in the future, and I hope you grow to love VIPKid just as much as I do.
And I think you will really love your VIPKid teaching journey.
I hope these tips are helpful for you. Bye.
Bye.
Take care now. Bye-bye.